Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So tomorrow is day 5 of the mock test challenge for SBI Clerk 2021. So the first thing in tomorrow's schedule is mock number 17. So tomorrow I will attempt the mock number 17 because I did not attempt any mock test today. If you have already attempted this mock test, then you can go for mock number 20. Okay. Then for prelims I will practice 30 questions of reasoning and mixed questions of arithmetic, because it is time to brush up our basic concepts and it is time to revise all the types of arithmetic. And if you have not done any chapter in arithmetic till now, then do not try to learn any new chapter. Just try to revise everything which you have learned so far. Then for basic maths, I will revise square and cube tricks and then multiplication and addition tricks. So nowadays I am not adding the speed test because the speed test is already covered in the mock test. Okay. Then I will practice 5 prelims RC and then I will read the editorial. So for all of this practice, I am using Guidely Bundle PDF course. You can also go for this bundle PDF course. So for the SBI clerk exam, they are providing it for 400 rupees, and in this PDF course, they are providing 9800 plus questions. Plus, if you buy their SBI Clerk PDF course, you will get access to the mock test also. There are 45 plus mock tests for prelims and mains both. And if you want to buy their Grand Bundle PDF course, then you can also go for this also, as it will contain all the upcoming exams. And if you are planning to buy their Platinum mock test package, then for today only, you can get it for 500 rupees. It contains 3000 plus mock test for all bank, SSC and railway exams, and it is for double validity, like for 2-year validity. So you can go for this. The links will be given in description, and by using my code you will get 12% discount also. Then for current affairs, I am using Affairs Cloud, and I will revise the daily current affairs plus the previous month's current affairs revision, because if we do the previous month's current affair revision now, then it will not become hectic at the times of mains examination. Okay, so all the best for tomorrow. I hope you all can complete this target, because these are not that much and they are not that like we can't do it. You can complete it in like 7 to 8 hours. It will take maximum 7 to 8 hours to complete all these things. So try to complete it. Okay, and try to go for mock number 20 if you have attempted this already. And tomorrow we will share the scores. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day, and all the best for tomorrow and your upcoming exams.